Hey guys, my name's Chris and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Habor Freight Icon 10-inch speed collar impact extension bar. This item roughly runs $17.99. So this is your pretty basic speed collar and it functions as it would intend. It has an adjustable speed collar with two locking positions, and that extension bar spins independently of the column. So when you're holding that, it allows for some extra, how should I say, stabilization, and it allows it to spin freely so that you don't cause any drag or friction or any heat if you're wearing a glove. And it really does allow for the ease of removal when you use an impact tool on a lug nut or any other application where you're going to have lots of revolutions. So this tool also is a clone of one of the Husky branded tools, and we'll have a look at that one here in a second. So you can see, if you were to scroll back and then look at this now, literally all of the markings line up exactly, and the tool, it's going to operate as intended. So the Harbor Freight one, when I looked at it at the store and then compared it to the one that I had at home, and you can see it in use here, it's literally the same tool. And it's a nice tool to have if you're going to be using it in a scenario where you might be taking off a lot of lug nuts, and I would recommend it. So if you do have a scenario where you can see yourself using this, then I would recommend picking it up, and I would recommend getting it from Harbor Freight versus the Home Depot Husky Tool branded one, for the fact that I believe Home Depot is discontinuing this item, and this item does carry a lifetime guarantee at Harbor Freight. So again, if you like this one, that's definitely where I would spend my money. So as always, guys, work smarter, not harder, and I'll see you real soon.